Hi guys, hello and welcome to a new video of my channel. And today I'm gonna show you how to use invideo and how to edit from there. Okay, so first I will tell you there are lots of things in this. Complete your video now. So if you edit something and if you did not finish that, then this shows you how, and this shows you how many are left. So that's kind of like that. So this is one of the best editing programs I have ever seen for free, and it's recommended to upgrade this. So I will upgrade this in few days. So if you are going to pre-make templates and you haven't had an idea of how to make a template, then you can just get from this. Just click one like this and then use this as template. Okay, so let's click that. Okay, and now let's just begin you to that. Okay, how to use it. Mm, So now the template is already just put up over here, and it's the scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and like that you can edit. So this is so much more easier in the first one, but what I mostly prefer is to make it from scratch because that's how I made everything. Okay, so and the next one is text to video, and I can give you an example of how to this happening. So the speech show is kind of like that. When you text, then that gives you some natural voices. So even the same can be get from this for free. So I would rather use this. Okay, so let's click one and see how does these work. Okay, so let's see that use this template. Okay, add headline and yeah, you like that you can make it. But what I prefer is to make it from scratch. Well, I think this is I don't know how many times.
With a box of scraps!
Okay, so make it from scratch. So yeah, I want to go down. Yeah, and now okay, let's say okay, make it from scratch. Oh my gosh, now the 3 minutes has gone. Okay, so you can just upload from your computer. Okay, for example, okay, I'll get that. Okay, and now that's over here. So to do it, you just have to drag this here. Come on. Okay, let's say okay, I'll drag that. Okay, so now that's here. Okay, so now okay, so for most of people, it's kind of like this. You will like to make it full scale. Okay, and would you like to trim your video before adding to the scene? Yes, of course. I would always like to trim because adding it in like that will just waste time. Okay. So okay, about few minutes. Okay, that's enough about few seconds. Okay. So now this media one image. So now you can just put it to here. So this would be the best thing for gamers if you are recording it. Okay, so now let's put it here. Okay, and flip. Okay, let's make this disco fall. And now click. Just look at this now. Over here you can just see it. So that's kind of like that. That's very easy. Okay. So now let's say you want to just just from text to speech. Okay. So you go here and use English, so whatever language you prefer, and then voice. Well, like that. Well, you can just check what kind of voices do you want.
Hello, hope you are having a great time making your video.
Yeah, kind of like that. Well, what I prefer is Mattel because he has the best voice, I guess. Okay, so enter your text. So here you can just do whatever text you want, such as. Okay, so let's say there's cat. Okay, generated. Okay, and now you can just hear it.
Cat.
Yeah, that's kind of like that. And add to the scene. Okay, so when you add it, you just can put where do you want it to be happen and those things. Okay, okay. Let's say you want to get from here. Okay, now it's done and play. And you can just adjust the volume and those things independently.
Cat.
Yeah, so that's so simple. And if you want to loop, no, let's loop from this. Let's loop. No, sorry. Why? Okay, wait. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So like that, you have the loop option, and you can read wherever you want. Okay, now I make it.
Cat. Cat. Cat.
So that's kind of like that. So that's that easy. Okay. So after, okay, so we did it, right? So now I'm gonna show you. If you think that your videos are not that great, then you can put images or videos. Okay, so let's say Captain America. Okay, and now search it. You can search. Okay, so now you can just see the videos and those things, and yeah, kind of like that. Well, okay, there are not almost there are few videos, but not all. So you can trim it or just use a full video. So if you want to export it, then download. Just you can have to press this, and then for text over here, just press add text or add a heading, add a sub basic. First, okay, let's add a heading. Okay, okay, and now text. Yeah. First text and now text. Well, okay, there are only few seconds left. Okay, so let's say, okay, so like that you can put it and put save. Press save, and then it will be saved. Okay. And thanks for watching, and see you next time. And subscribe, like, please comment and hit the notification bell. And this is a basic way how to use invideo, because I just came up on this few days ago, and this is the best, I guess. And thank you for watching, and see you next time, and bye bye.